So the other day you asked about how to balance between professional life and personal life. And that is my struggle now. The last, let's say, 6 to 7 years.
It's a common issue amongst a lot of people. You just got to know how to manage your time wisely. I think that's different for a lot of people, right? I think that if I were to tell you to split it into 50-50, maybe it's not possible. You know, some people need to work more hours to survive. So it's
Mhm,
difficult to give a very specific answer because everyone's situation is so different. So, I
mhm.
mean, generally speaking, or vaguely speaking, I could probably say just manage your time wisely. And that's different for everybody, right?
Exactly. Because, at first it was like an escape. I used work as an escape. Not escape, but distraction, okay. And then I kind of like it. I kind of like, not find value, but like I feel like I can do something while I'm working. Is this called toxic productivity? Because I can do something while feeding my cat. I mean, it's not like I have to work to feel this value. But while I'm working, I feel like, okay, today I've done something great. Besides taking care of my cats, of course, because now I have two jobs and I'm trying to work on my personal project. And I feel like, okay, Khansa, you're not doing enough.
I will share my screen and show you some pieces of advice and we can read it together. These are ways to improve your work life balance.